Here's Skylar, and she's going to put on a concert for us, and she's going to start with the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Okay, go ahead.
Concert with the Itsy Bitsy Spider, went up the water down. On the Itsy Bitsy Spider, went up the water down. Down came the tin and the white side out.
Yeah. What else can you play?
That's Skylar Nana Pop.
That's Skylar Nana Pop.
Yeah, he's a baby.
That's Grandma and Grandpa Gunderson. Do you know any other songs? What are they?
I know.
What about ABCs? Yes, Skylar! What?
Do we should do some song?
Yeah, do you want to do some others?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll turn off the camera though, okay?
Okay.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say I love you.
I love you.
I love you too.
I love you too.